In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Word Frontier agent in Copilot Chat to boost your writing productivity. If you write reports, drafts, summaries, or edits on a regular basis, this tool can help you move much faster. The Word Frontier agent in Copilot Chat is designed to support document creation and revision in a simple conversational way. So instead of starting from scratch or spending too much time rewriting, you can guide the agent with clear prompts and build from there. To begin, open your Microsoft Copilot Chat interface on your computer or in your web browser. Make sure you are in the chat area where you normally enter prompts and interact with Copilot. This is where all of your instructions and document work will happen, so it helps to have your source material ready before you start. Next, select the Word Frontier agent. You can do this by opening the agent's menu or by typing the @ symbol followed by Word to bring up the available options. Once you choose the Word Frontier agent, Copilot will be set up to focus specifically on writing and document-related tasks. This is important because it helps direct the responses toward drafting, editing, summarizing, and structuring written content. After that, attach the Word document you want to work with by using the file icon in the chat interface. If you are not editing an existing file, you can simply tell the agent that you want to start a brand new draft instead. This gives you flexibility whether you are revising something you already have or creating something from the ground up. Now type your instruction into the chat box. Be as specific as possible so the agent understands exactly what you need. For example, you might ask it to summarize your text, rewrite a section in a more professional tone, or create an outline for a new report. Clear instructions usually lead to better results. So if you have a preferred style, length, or format, include that in your request. Once the response appears, take a moment to review it carefully. If anything needs to be adjusted, ask follow-up questions or request changes directly in the chat. This back and forth process is one of the fastest ways to refine the output until it matches what you want. When you are happy with the result, copy or export the completed text into Microsoft Word. That's it. You are now ready to create and edit documents much faster using the Word Frontier agent in Copilot Chat.